Solving percent problem in just 5 seconds. Number 1, what is 50% of 90? Okay, just simply multiply 5 and 9. 5 times 9 is 45. So 45 is 50% of 90. For number 2, what is 30% of 70? Just simply multiply 3 and 7. So 3 times 7, we have 21. Meaning, 21 is 30% of 70. Next, for number 3, 80% of 40. Multiply 8 times 4. We have 32. Meaning, 32 is 80% of 40. For number 4, what is 10% of 50? Just simply multiply 1 and 5. So 1 times 5, we have 5. Meaning, 5 is 10% of 50. Next, we have 90% of 90. Okay, 9 times 9 equals 81. 81 is 90% of 90. Next, 20% of 60. So 2 times 6 is 12. Since 12 is 20% of 60.